The Supreme Court heard arguments today on President Biden's executive order to forgive billions of dollars in student loans.
The state of Missouri is at the center of this legal battle. New tonight, our Laura Barczewski explains how the decision could impact just about everyone.
More than 40 million people in the U.S. are dealing with the weight of student loans. 26 million people applied for loan forgiveness, and 16 million were approved for up to $20,000 to be wiped away per person.
In the big financial crisis, it was the middle class who bailed out Wall Street. Now it's time for America to bail out the middle class and forgive federal student loans. Loans have been paused for almost 3 years now. Now we're in March.
The price tag for student loan forgiveness right now is about $400 billion, something UMSL economics professor Max Gillman says, if forgiven, could mean higher taxes for everyone or the inflation rate goes up, all because of a larger budget deficit.
It will hurt the general population if taxes go up, including the inflation rate, because that causes all sorts of distortions in wages and in energy prices.
The Supreme Court has the task of assessing the legality of the executive order. The Biden administration argues this was done at a time of crisis under the HEROES Act.
In essence, the administration, the U.S. administration, is skirting the congressional budget process and not having the student loan forgiveness approved as stipulated has to be done under the 1990 Federal Credit Reform Act. That's the problem.
Gillman says while it would truly help millions of people, he's worried it could set a difficult precedent for future students.
Does this create the moral hazard that students taking out loans will take on too much because there may never be another loan forgiveness program?
We can likely expect a decision from the Supreme Court sometime in June, but for now, student loan payments are still on hold.
Students from